Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Polina with Elemental Face Yoga. My channel is all about natural aging and how targeted face yoga can help your face age naturally and gracefully. This video shows you step by step an anti-sagging face yoga routine for jawline lift. I guide you through key exercises to help keep your jawline looking toned, lifted and supported. And why would you want to watch this video? Because sagging, heaviness and loss of definition in the lower face are some of the most common face aging concerns in women over 40. As collagen structure changes and gravity begins to have a stronger effect, the jawlines and lower face often need more intentional care. Remember that facial transformation is not about doing hundreds of techniques, it's about doing the right movements consistently. So this short daily ritual helps you to support jawline definition, reduce appearance of droopiness and heaviness, improve muscle tone in the lower face, and build a sustainable face care habit. So set aside just 10 minutes, relax your shoulders, soften your breath, and enjoy this focused, effective reset for your lower face jawline. Are you ready? Come and join me now. Let's start by taking a deep breath in through the nose, softening our shoulders, softening our neck, closing the eyes, connecting with our face, connecting with our bodies, and connecting with our breath. Fully exhaling, allowing that softening to come up into the facial muscles, relaxing any tension around the jaw, lower face, the eyes, and the brow. One more deep breath in and out, tuning inwards, connecting with our face. Let's open the eyes. We start with a warm-up for the lower face with 2 fingers, index and middle finger, now flicking outwards on our jawline, around the mouth, the top lip, mouth corners, back to the chin, back out to the sides, to the earlobes. Take deep breaths here in and out through the nose. We are relaxing our nervous system, relaxing our facial muscles as well, and also boosting circulation here in the face and warming up. We're going to take this microcirculation flicks all the way through the face, middle of our cheeks, upper portions of our cheeks, cheekbones, up to the temples. Here flick up on the forehead, so we feel the whole face warming up. Although we're working with the lower face only today, it's good to get the whole lymphatic system going here. We're going to take it all the way back down, whole face warming up, releasing tension, all the way back down to the chin, the jawline. Tap here at the earlobes, deep breath in and out, and then tap gently through the neck and tap here at the collarbones. Release your hands down. Let's start by taking our bottom lip and teeth and wrapping them over the top one. Just like so. So the lips are wrapped in, the teeth are holding the top lip, and we create a nice long line here through the mouth corners in the mouth. From here, holding that contracted position, we bring our mouth corners using our cheek muscles up towards the top of our ears. So that creates a strong lift in the cheeks, which we're going to hold. We'll smooth out any lines on the sides with our fingers. And now we'll tilt the head back. Here we're simply holding as we're breathing, keeping the lift from the mouth corners through the cheeks without creating any additional connections, which we will do in a second. This is just a preparation exercise for our jawline lift. Let's release everything. Come back to center. Connect to the line of the jaw, to the muscles attaching to the bone, the muscles attaching around the mouth. Notice how everything's starting to feel. As we're warming up the muscles, you'll find more sensations in these muscles. So after this warm-up and preparatory exercise, we'll now go into the main technique, which is going to start the same. So the same setup as before. We'll wrap the lips in, we'll lift the mouth corners up, we tilt the head back. Now with that head tilted position, will increase the chin connection, so chin will lift up a little bit more and will connect to the mouth corners up, and rather than holding them in static position, we will attempt to very subtly pulse them. So we'll feel a stronger engagement there through the cheeks as the mouth corners pulsing and lifting up. Let's try this together. So wrapping the lips in, lifting the mouth corners up, so you feel the whole line of the jaw engaging already, and smoothing out the lines as we tilt the head back. Chin lifts, mouth corners, we connect to them again. As we're holding them in that lifted position, we're now also pulsing them. Keep breathing. Let's slowly release everything back to center. Shake out through the muscles here, so all the way back to the jaw muscle, all the way through the line of the jaw and around the mouth, so that we don't accumulate tension. And we have one more technique, so now the same setup as before. This time we will connect much wider to the whole line of the jaw. And when we're in our lifted position, we lift it also with our chin, and we lift it a little bit higher with the mouth corners. We're not going to be pulsing the mouth corners up this time. We'll imagine that we have a sling here from one earlobe to the other earlobe, and the sling is lifting and wrapping over the line of the jaw like that. So you get that much wider, more spacious lift all the way up. This is just going to be us connecting in our visualization to the muscles to create that extra lifted connection. So let's go ahead and wrap the lips in. Lift the mouth corners up, make sure they're on the same level, smooth out the lines on the side. So let's come into a tilt. There we will lift up with the chin and increase connection upwards with the mouth corners. Make sure you're not squeezing under the eyes, keeping the eyes relaxed. Here, imagine that you're widening connection from your earlobes upwards, all the way over the line of the jaw, really lifting and strengthening all the way across. Hold it there, breathe. Let's slowly release. I hope that you felt that last technique especially. I've really felt it all the way across the jaw. And now I feel that perhaps sometimes it over tightens a little bit here. So just make sure that you're careful and you're balancing this out. So you're not simply squeezing with your masseter muscle. So I feel this really strongly in my jawline as a lift. But you might like to release this tension here in your masseter muscle. This is what we're doing here. So just shaking out all the way through the back of our cheeks here on both sides. Taking a breath in and out. So the lift of the jawline cannot be done without lifting this section here, because as we're lifting all the way through, and we are of course working with the neck, we're working with this part. Let's work with this part under the chin directly, so that there is no overhang or sagging here through this section. This section tends to lose its collagen and lose its tone. So we're positioning our 2 or 3 fingers here underneath, and then we're gently pressing upwards as we're pressing the tongue up. So the tongue is pressing up to the roof of the mouth inside with your lips and your mouth closed, and it's doing that continuously, feeling feedback into our resistance. We're now going to push the tongue down into the floor of the mouth. Again, feeling this connect here and also at the back of our throat. Again, press the tongue up. Press the tongue down. Make sure you're not pressing into your teeth, just into the soft palate. Again, pressing it up. Pressing it down. And again, pressing it up. And pressing it down. Come back to center, relax, shake out the arms, roll the shoulders back. Very good. Pinch your fingers. We'll pinch through the jawline, starting from the chin, pinching into our muscle. Both sides, coming up to the earlobes. And again, pinch. One more. Last one. Little reset here for us. Excellent. Relax your hands down and position your hands here on the front of your neck. Tilt your head back. Take the tongue out between your lips, curl it up towards your nose, and we pulse the tongue up towards the nose 10 times. So I want you to add something again, that subtle length of your chin and slightly upturned mouth corner. So see how that feels. It really pulls up in this whole sling of the jaw again. Keep the mouth corner slightly upturned, chin lengthening up, keep pulsing. And let's slowly release, come back to center, take a deep breath in and out. We're going to do this technique that we've done just now one more time so you can really feel the benefits of that. Noticing that a slightly different subtle cue can really completely change the exercise and make you work much, much harder by simply connecting slightly differently to the muscles. And this is what we're doing here in this workout together. So let's go ahead again, position our hands on our center of our sternum. Bring our head back into a tilt, bring the tongue up, start to pulse the tongue whilst at the same time reaching the chin up. So that's one subtle cue. And then upturning the mouth corners, and notice the effect on this whole line of the jaw, including the jowls and the pouches here underneath the mouth corners. Keep pulsing, keep breathing. Relax your eyes. And let's slowly release, come back to center, take a deep breath in and out, again relax your arms, give your shoulders a roll. Coming back to those pinches, again back to the jawline, pinching on the chin, pinching along the line of the jaw to the ears. We're going to take those pinches through one more time. And then we'll take them also through the face, because this is a lovely complexion booster for us. And we might as well just take it through the whole face, just to see the lovely pink effect in our skin. Breathing in and out, pinching through the nasolabial folds, up to the temples, pinching through the forehead. Not a lot of skin here, but then we can just do little pinch-like motions. We can gently also pinch along the brow, maybe closing the eyes, releasing tension from our corrugator muscles. Then come back to pinching on our temples, back through the cheeks, back to the chin and the jawline. Coming to our earlobes, here we'll tap at the earlobes, take a deep breath in. Tap it down as you exhale to the neck, and then finish by tapping around the collarbones. Deep breath in and out, relax your arms down. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I hope you enjoyed this effective low face workout. When practiced consistently, this can make a real difference in how your jawline looks and feels. So please keep that consistency going. With face yoga, the magic is never in intensity. It's always in regularity and awareness. You may notice the sensation of activation immediately, while visible changes unfold gradually over time. And if you enjoyed this practice, please leave me a like below. It truly helps support the channel. And if you're new here, I'd love to welcome you as a subscriber so you can continue aging naturally and gracefully with me. And a little invitation before we finish. If you enjoy practicing with me online, you might love the experience of practicing together with me in person. This June 2026, I'll be teaching a small retreat in Andalusia, Spain. A beautiful opportunity to immerse yourself in face yoga, mindful movement, deep rest, and nervous system reset. Anyone joining me will receive a free personal face yoga consultation with me, along with the personal face yoga video to practice with as a thank you. If that speaks to you, you can find all the details using the link below. I'd love for you to join me there. And since you have asked, I've just introduced something many of you might be interested in. You can now book a private 30 minutes face yoga guidance session with me on Zoom. This is perfect if you'd like to ask personal questions, check your technique, discuss your concerns, or get advice on routines and skincare with all my expert tips. This is not a full personal program, just dedicated time together. So if that sounds helpful for you, you'll find the booking link in the description below. Stay radiant and see you next time. Bye.